Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix charging problems on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna check the cable and adapter connections. So if you got your cable, then what you guys want to do with it is you want to make sure that this cable is not faulty. And I would recommend using the original cable and a adapter, so the charging brick. I do have the cable here, but it is not the original one. This is the third-party one. And if you got some charging problems, then you should definitely check this out and see if you can somehow fix it. Next, what you guys can do is simply clean the USB-C port. We got it at the bottom. This is the place for it. Make sure to clean it with a decompressed air or a soft brush, depending on what is available for you. And I would recommend compressed air for it, but you guys can choose from those two things. Next, what you guys want to do is try another charger on a cable. This is very important because if you think that your charger is faulty, you can try another one and see if that fixes anything. Now, what you guys can do is go over to settings and then scroll down to battery. Here, as you guys can see, we got the battery protection, and what you guys want to do is make sure that you select either the intelligence charging, battery protection, and charge fully. Make sure that you choose the battery protection right here. So this intelligent charging will reach 80% in some applicable situations. Now battery protection will reach 100% once it's scheduled. So the AI will learn from your patterns of using, and if you're charging it at work and you want to go home with a full device, then there will be no problem with it. So make sure to do that and make sure that you do not limit your charging. Of course, what else can you guys do is check those current modes, check the battery checkups, and make sure that the wired charging mode is to the top speed. So your device might heat up, but still you'll get the battery fast charger. Here we got everything, but here is something that we do not need. Of course, you guys can save your battery, but that's not the point. We want to make sure that it is charging. And the next thing to do is simply plug it in and see if that works. So it does not say the fast charging made by the Xiaomi, but it is quick charging because I'm not using the original cable and a charger. So that's basically what you guys can do. And as a last resort, we're gonna update our software to fix any software glitches. We're gonna go to About Phone, tap on the HyperOS, and I got no updates available, but if you do, then I recommend you updating it. They're very important to do. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.